Every rental owner knows the feeling. A tenant moves out, and suddenly that sign goes up in the yard. It seems harmless enough, just a few weeks between leases. But here in the Wasatch Front, where the market moves fast and competition is fierce, that quiet for rent sign is doing more damage than most owners realize. It's not just about the rent you're not collecting, it's the mortgage still due, the utilities still running, the maintenance still needed, all while your investment sits empty and your return on investment quietly shrinks. Today, we're breaking down what vacancy really costs, and more importantly, what you can do about it. A vacant home doesn't take a break from expenses, it just stops producing income. Mortgage, insurance, taxes, upkeep, they all keep going whether someone's living there or not. Here's what most owners underestimate. Vacancy isn't a single cost, it's a chain reaction. A property priced even slightly above market can sit unseen during the critical first weeks of listing. Add cleaning, photography, and advertising, and a single vacancy can quietly cost thousands. On a $2, $300 a month rental, just 4 empty weeks can wipe out a meaningful chunk of your annual return, and that's before you count the maintenance issues that get worse the longer a home sits empty. Renters are comparing multiple listings at once, and the ones with fresh photos, quick responses, and thoughtful presentation are the ones that lease first. Filling a vacancy quickly matters, but placing the right tenant matters more. A reliable renter who stays year after year saves far more than any quick fix ever could. Vacancy is one of the biggest silent threats to your rental income, but it's also one of the most preventable. At TierOne Real Estate, our team knows the Wasatch Front market inside and out. From pricing strategy to tenant screening to marketing that gets your property seen. If you're ready to stop losing money to empty days, reach out to TierOne Real Estate for a free rental analysis and consultation. Let's keep your investment working for you every single day.